We've used mostly the chemical control applications, but we're trying to get into more of the biological end because we realize that we're getting huge resistance problems with the use of chemicals continually through the cycle of the insects. I've just started using the NoFly. I did my first trials late February, and I have used other biologicals in the past, but I've not seen the knockdown immediately as I did with NoFly. I was very impressed with it. It's a really good product. This past year, we had a lot of thrips late spring, early summer. I put on 2 to 3 applications of the NoFly, and I haven't sprayed any since then. On a 3/4 acre house, I do my 24-hour counts, and I would say on the average maybe 1.2 thrip per 3/4 acre. My application rate is 14 ounces to 100 gallons. When I get a new crop in, I will spray that 2 to 3 times, and then I won't spray again until I see a population build up. Once I have the NoFly in place, I see very good results. When I've used other biologicals in the past, because a biological pesticide takes a long time for it to really work, the NoFly just knocks them down so much faster. They don't have a chance to build. Compared to chemicals, which is a contact type of a spray, if the fly is flying around and you hit it, you kill it, and then you're done with it. But with NoFly, your residual will hang in there and continue to work 2, 3, 4 weeks down the road, maybe even longer. Based on the trials that I've conducted here at Mid-America with the use of NoFly and the results that I have seen, we are now using NoFly on a regular basis in our pesticide schedule. This is one product that works, and I wouldn't be telling you to use it if it didn't, because I don't back things that don't work. And most of the growers that work here will say the same thing. They finally have seen it work. They've seen the knockdown. They can actually say, yes, I see the dead insects, and that's the one thing that even the chemicals we use, we just don't see the knockdown like we see it with NoFly. I would definitely recommend NoFly to all greenhouse operations throughout the United States, because the one major pest that seems like always models our crops and makes them insalable, now we have a control that will work, and it'll continue working through the whole life cycle of the plant until it's out the door.